Now we are going to discuss about data source. So where we created info objects. Now we are going to design data source. What I told you about data source is the source specific, right? We will design a data source exactly as source. Yes, what about the source? What source fields source contains? See the source first. This is our source, right? Our source contains 4 columns. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Designing of data source. In our BI system, if you want to design a data source, first we need to design application component. What is meant by application component? How many types of applications we have in our EC system? Do you have any idea about application components? Applications?
No,
MM, SD, finance.
Okay.
These are all nothing but applications. Your application component is used to segregate the data source. Which data source is belongs to which application? Suppose you are getting MM related data source from ECC side. So we will create one application regarding MM application, and we will save our data source under that particular application. If you are getting the FI data source from ECC side, we will create individual application for finance, and we will save our data source under that particular application. So here application component is used to organize the data sources. How to create application component? Coming to the screen, here under modeling tab, we have data source level is available, right? Select that data source level. Here this is the root node. Okay, select the root node of data source, right click. In the context menu, we have one option is available, that is create application component. Select root node, context menu, select the option create application component. Yes, coming to the screen again, right click, create application component. Yes, provide the technical name of application component. JDC. Provide the technical name and description. Click on continue. Click or enter or continue. Application component is created for you. So under this application component, I am going to create one more application component. I'm going to create one more application component. We have the chance to create application component under application component. For master data, only for master data, I am creating one more application component. Master data. Click on enter. Okay, this is already available, so take another name. Okay, click on enter. Yes, here this is your parent application component. Under this, one more child application is available. How to create data source? Application component is ready. Next, we need to create data source. Yes. Select your application component. In the context menu, we have one option is available, that is create data source. Select application component. Context menu. Select the option create data source. Yes, context menu, create data source. What it is asking? A technical name of data source and a data type of data source. See here how many types of data we have. Transitional data, text and attributes. There is no master data hierarchies. We will directly load the master data hierarchies. By the end of the classes, we will discuss about hierarchy. For attributes only, we will design the data source. We have the chance to design data source. Yes, provide the technical name of data source. This is for master data. And select the type of the data source. Now we are loading attributes data only, right? So here I am selecting master data attribute as a type of the data source. If you are loading transactional data, then we will select transactional data. Provide the technical name and select the type of data source. Next, click on enter. Click on enter or continue. Yes. Coming to the screen. Here I am hiding the navigation panel. This is the navigation panel, okay? Navigation window, we will call it as. I am hiding this one. Under this data source, designing of data source, we have 5 tabs are available. Now I am going to introduce you only 2 tabs, that is general and fields tab. Okay, in later classes we will discuss about extraction, proposal, preview. Coming to general information, here we need to provide the description, that is short, medium and a long description. Any name you can provide. After click on enter, what happened? We will enter into the designing screen of data source. There under general tab, provide the descriptions. Okay, next enter into fields tab. After providing of description, we will enter into fields tab. Yes, coming to here. Here, what about the source file? Source file contains 4 columns: customer number, name, address, and phone number. So here I am designing data source exactly like source file. We already created these info objects: customer number, name, address, and phone number. Providing the info objects there in data source. So here under the info object column, you have to provide the info objects what you created in under info area, right? Here we will provide our info objects. Again, show the navigation. Here select info objects. Select info objects level, and these are your info objects, right? Just copy
Yes.
them and paste there. And you have to follow the sequence. Which one is first? Which one is second? Which one is first? Customer number. After that, name. After that, address and phone number. So you have to follow the sequence, right? Yeah, first. Which one is first? That is customer number. Okay, just copy and paste it. Click on enter. Select, click on copy. What happened? See the difference. See here what we got. Data type of customer number, length. See here everything is displayed, the description also. Yes, see here only one row is displayed here, remaining all rows in enable mode. So if you want to make them if you want to make them enable mode, you have to select insert row. Okay, select this one. Second row is enabled, right? And one more and one more. How many columns we have? 4 columns. So select 4 columns, insert 4 columns. That's it. Yes, coming to next. What about next column? That is customer name. So copy the customer name. What is that info object? This is. Okay, click on enter. Properties are copied here, right? Next, what is the next column? Address. And this is the address info object. Copy it and paste it. Okay, copy it and paste it. Next, phone number. Copy it and paste it. Click on enter. Yes.
Okay.
This is the structure we designing under data source: customer number, name, address, and phone number. So based on source file, you have to follow the sequence also. If you doesn't follow the sequence, what happened? Exactly the data as usually this data will be loaded blindly into data source. What you follow the sequence. Suppose if you interchange name with address. Suppose here I am sending this customer address above. See here customer address in second row as second column. And what about customer name? This is taken as third column. So what about the file? Here second column contains customer name, third column is customer address. So blindly this customer name data will be loaded under customer address. So that is the incorrect data, right? So that is the reason we have to follow the sequence as per source file. Now it is correct. Yes. After completion of the operations under fields tab, just click on activate. What we done? We provided description under general information, and we provided info objects under fields tab. That is, we design the structure. Click on activate. Yes, where we are. And click on enter. After that, click on activate. This is in our data source is activated. And coming to our source file, here I am taking some special characters. I told you that what PSA in PSA level we have the chance to delete the data, right? That is control on source data. That is the specialty of PSA. So I will show you how to delete the special characters in PSA level. So that's why I am adding some special characters here. Save this file. Yeah, close it. I placed that under your folder. Where we completed designing of data source. Next, see the data flow first. What's the data flow? This is the source. Under warehouse, we design data source. Okay. Now what is our task next? We need to design the target and provide the connections. Okay, we already provided the connection. This is source system connection. We already selected that, and we design data source also. Now we need to design target and we need to provide the connection from data source to target. And after that, we need to load the data into data source by using info package. Here, from here to here, that is TTP loading mechanism. Next, now I am going to design the target. Here for master data, what is the target we have to take? That is info object, right? Understand or not? We already created that info object, but we have to make that as a target. I will show you how to make the info object as a target. After that, I will create transformations between data source and target. Yes. Next task is target. Yes, enter into the diagram. Here we can design the targets. Okay. Under modeling tab, we have info provider level is available, right? So all targets, info object, TSO, info cube, multi provider, anything, we will design under info provider level only. Okay.
Okay.
Select the info provider level. Info provider, nothing but these are providing information for reports. So the name itself indicates that information providers. Okay. Select the info provider level. See here, where is our info area? This is our info area, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Expand that. Under this info area, one more info area is available. Select your desired info area. In the context menu, we have one option is available, insert characteristic as info provider. If you want to make info object as a target, we will use this option. Select info provider level, select your info area, context menu, select the option, insert, characteristic as target or
Object
info provider, anything else.
provider.
Okay, select that option. It will ask you the info object name, technical name of info object. Okay, which info object you want to make it as a target. So which info object we want to make? Customer number. This is right, ZUC number 1. I think go and search that. Yeah, this one. Copy it, coming to info provider level, context menu, select the option, provide the info object name, click on continue. What happened? Customer number is available, right? Before that it is not available here. That info provider level. Do you observe the difference? Expand this one. Here it is showing attributes, customer number attributes. It is only showing attributes, but default it will show attributes as well as text. Here it is showing only attributes. See, coming to again info objects, open your customer number info object and coming to master data or text tab. Here we deselect with the text, right? Selecting only with master data. With master data in the sense only attributes. If you select with the text also. So for that, here under info provider level you will get text also, text target also.
Okay.
That is the reason here it is showing only customer number attribute. Later I will show how to load text data also. Yeah, our target is also ready. Next, what is our next task? We need to create transformation. Coming to transformations. How to create transformation? We have two methods to create transformation. One is select your target. Under info provider level, select your target. In the context menu, we have option is available, create transformation. From where to where we are creating this path, right? From target to data source. So here under the at target level we have this option, and we have that option at data source level also. So enter into data source level, select your data source, context menu, create transformation. Two methods we have. You can create from any one of the level. Here I am going to create the transformation from data source level. Yes, select data source, context menu. What is the option? Create transformation. Select the option transformation. Provide the technical name of info object.
This is primary key, right?
Yeah, primary key.
Okay.
Click on enter. Yes, coming to transformation. Next, at data source level, context menu, select the option create transformation. So it will ask you here from source level we are creating the transformation, right? So under this is contains source of the transformation. So what is the source? That is data source, right? So
Yeah.
data source information is available here. What is the technical name of the data source? Under which source system this particular data source is available? These are the informations are available here, and we have to provide the target. This is the data source, and what is the target we are going to take here for transformation. Okay, we are taking info object as a target for this particular transformation. Okay, and which type of info object is that? Which type of data you are loading into that particular target? We have to select here.
Okay.
Attributes are text. Now we are loading only attributes data, not text data. So select the subtype of object and provide the technical name of the target, that is info object name. What is that? We forgot the name of customer name. Go on search. Yeah, this is ZUNCN0. Copy this. Coming again. Yeah, create transformation. Object type is info object and the subtype is attributes and the technical name of info object is right. Click on create transformation or enter. Okay. Yes. What we have to provide? Target information. Do you want detailed description? That is technical name of info object, subtype.
No, it's okay.
It's okay? Yes.
Yeah.
Target information. Click on enter. Okay? Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever you click on enter, what happens? See that. Observe it. By default, connections are provided by the system itself. Why? What's the reason? Here, the source info objects and the target info objects all are same, right?
Yeah.
That's why by default system itself provide the connections. Okay. If the technical name of source file and the target file both are different, then we have to provide the connection manually. Just suppose delete this one, right click, delete. If you want to provide the connection, how can you provide? Just select the source info object, drag and drop. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So if we gave the if we didn't give it in the correct sequence, then here we can rectify it by doing this?
No, it's not possible. At the data source level only you have to rectify that.
Okay.
Okay. Just
Yeah.
Provide. Connect the fields. Connect the info objects. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Here I told you transformations are not for only mapping, only connection, but it is used to transform the data from source level to target level. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Coming to our source. What is our source? Yes, this is. But here in target level I am going to take one more info object, that is region. Okay, but that field is not available at source level. Okay. For region I am going to populate the data a constant value, that is USA. So all these customers are belongs to USA only. That is I am going to declaring you. through a info object. Okay, I will add that info object at target level, and I will populate the data by using transformation rule types. Okay, how we can do that? Observe here. Yes, here just activate them. Just activate the transformation. Yes, transformations activated successfully, right? Come back. Here I am going to add one more info object as a attribute for target. What is our target here? Customer number, right?
Yeah.
So change this customer number. Click on change. Here change is available, right? Click on change. Yes. Hide navigation window. Yes. Coming to attributes tab. Here I am providing one more info object, one more attribute, Z region. Okay. Click on create. Click on continue. Provide the description. Region. Provide the data type. Here I am taking character as a data type, and here I am taking the length of the attribute is 3 only. Why? Because USA I am providing the value like USA. So that is only 3 characters, right? So no need of providing extra length. Okay. Provide the credentials and click on continue. Yeah. Region info object also created. Just click on activate the info object. Okay. Yes. So how many columns we have in our target?
5.
5. One is target, remaining 4 are attributes. But coming to our source, we have only 4 columns. There is no region column is available in our source. So we need to populate the data by using transformation rule types. Enter into your info provider level, that is target layer. Refresh once. Here /n means it will close the current session and open a new session. Okay, /n. R7 is our transaction code. /n means it will close the current session and open a new session. Okay, just click on enter. And we will use one more command, /o. So if you provide /o, what happened? It doesn't close the current session and it will open one more session. See, provide RS7 again, /o RS7. What happened? It will open one more data warehousing workbench. See here, 2 workbenches are available, right? /n and /o. Yes. Okay. Coming to your transformation. Okay. This is in inactive mode. Why? We added one more attribute for our target. So that's why this is inactive mode. We changed the structure of the target. Right? Yeah. Open this transformation, just to double click on it, or just to click on change. Okay. Yes. Region. So for region info object, we didn't get data from source file. We need to populate the data by using rule types. So how can we enter into rule types? Yes. Yeah, here one into symbol is displayed, right? Select that symbol, right click, rule details. Okay.
Okay.
Select rule details. here we have different rule types are available. What is the meaning of this symbol? That is no transformation. So for this info object we don't have connection, that is nothing but no transformation. We will call it as technically no transformation. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, here I am selecting constant as a rule type. We are populating data, same data USA, that is the value is USA for all the records. So that is nothing but constant, right? So by using constant rule type, I am going to populating the data for region info object at target level. Okay. Yes, select the rule type. Okay. What is the symbol for rule type, constant rule type? This is. So you need to remember the symbols also. And you have to provide the value also. What is the value you are going to populate? So select the rule type as constant, provide the value. So if you want to provide the description for rule type, you can provide. Suppose same region. Okay, it's not a mandatory thing. What is the mandatory thing here in this particular dialog window? That is rule type and providing the value.
Okay.
Yes, after selecting the rule type and value, you have to select transfer values. We are transferring these values to region info object. Yes, click on transfer value. What happens? See here. Here symbol was changed, right? Earlier it is showing no transformation symbol. Now it is constant symbol. And what about this symbol? Equal symbol. So this symbol we will call it as C in rule types. What is the symbol name? Direct assignment. We are directly assigning source fields to the target info object. That is nothing but direct assignment. Direct assignment, constant and no transformation. Coming to again no transformation. Why we are using no transformation? Without providing the connection, that is nothing but no transformation, right? Suppose here I am going to delete this particular connection. Select that connection, right click, delete. What happened? Is there any changes in the symbol? It is showing equal symbol only. Suppose check the transformation. It will throw an error. No source fields are assigned to the rule for phone number. So the system throw an error. Here the symbol is showing direct assignment, but there is no connection from source field. So that is the error we will get. So if you want to rectify this problem, what you have to do? You have to enter into rule details again. You have to select the rule type as no transformation. Okay, select no transformation. What happened? Symbol was changed. Click on transfer values again. See what happened? Symbol was changed, right? So this is the use of no transformation. Yeah, providing the connection again. Yes, symbol was changed. Here how many rule types we discussed now? One is direct assignment, constant and no transformation. Yeah, we will discuss about remaining three things in later classes. Yeah. Yes, this is about transformation. Just click on activate now. What is our next step? Info package and DTP. So what will be the first step among these two? Info package or DTP? Which one is the first one? Yeah, info package. How to create info package? By using this info package, up to which level we are going to populate the data? We are going to load the data. Up to which level? Data source level. So where we can create the info package at data source level. select your data source that is available under data source level. Select your data source. So this is our data source, right? In the
Yeah.
context menu, we have one option is available, create info package. Context menu, select the option create info package. Will ask you the description of info package. Provide the description, any description you can provide. Here I am providing load data to PSA. Okay, provide the description and click on save. Designing layer of info package, we have 5 tabs are available. Okay, now I am going to discuss only 2 tabs. One is extraction, second one is schedule tab. Okay, we will discuss about the remaining 3 tabs in later classes. Coming to extraction, what is the need of extraction tab? So here in this tab we will provide the file path and the type of the file. Here we need to browse the file name. Select the browser. Yeah, where is our file available? In desktop. First to close the file. While we are loading the data from file, you have to close the file first. Otherwise you will get error. Select desktop. What is the file name? That is master data file. Select the file, click on open. We are providing the path and select provide the header rows to be ignored. What is header rows? Here I am providing one row to be ignored. What is the need of ignoring this one row? Coming to the file again. Here what is the first row in the file? That is header line, right? We already created info objects for these columns and we already added them as attributes for target. So these are already available in the warehouse. So no need of again loading. So yeah, that's why I am ignoring one row. Coming to data format, which type of file we are loading? That is CSV file, right? Comma separated value. And what is the data separator? That is comma. How can you say that the data is separated by comma? Coming to file, close this. Here I am going to open this file in Notepad. See, values are separated by comma or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I am giving data separated as comma. Coming to schedule tab, just to provide the path here and select the header rows to be ignored and select the data format and then provide the data separator as comma. Next, coming to schedule tab, just click on start execution. Yes, what are the settings we done? Under execution tab, We provide the path, and select format of file, and the data separator is comma, header rows to be ignored, that is 1. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, coming to again schedule tab. There you can select the option start or execute or schedule, anything else. Coming to schedule tab, click on start. So whenever you click on start, what happened? From the source file, we are what is that mechanism? One request will be sent from BI system to our source file. Here, this is our source file. So that request will read the data from source file, and that is placed into PSA level. Okay, this is the backend job, not displayed in front end. That is the backend job actually happened in the real time. Okay, whenever you click on start, one request will be sent to the file location. So that request read the data and pick the data, and that will be placed in PSA. Whenever you click on start, you got the message under status bar, that is data was requested. Whenever you got this message, just select the monitor. Monitor in the sense whether loading is happening or not. We have to observe that. Yes, click on monitor in the application toolbar. Select start, monitor in application toolbar. You have to remember the symbols also, monitor symbol,
Okay.
blue color symbol. Yeah, see here, how many records are there in the file? 5 records, right? So total 5 records are loaded or not?
Yes.
Yeah, 5 records are loaded. So if you want to see the data, PSA data, how can you see that? So we have two process we have to see the PSA data. One is select the PSA maintenance button in application toolbar. This is the PSA maintenance button. Okay, remember this one also.
Okay.
Select this one in application toolbar and click on continue. You will enter into PSA table, so that will contains data. So select PSA maintenance in application toolbar. Click on continue. Yes. See here, this is our PSA data.
Okay.
Okay, what about the status? Green color, nothing but successfully loaded. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, what about the second option? This is the first option. Next, coming to second option. Come back. Again come back. Come back. Yes, the second option is select your data source. Context menu. Manage. Second option to view the PSA data. Select the data source. Context menu. Select manage option. Yes, this is your PSA request. Select the request. Click on PSA maintenance button again. Okay, select your request, click on PSA maintenance. Just click on continue. You will enter into again PSA table. Okay, select the request. PSA maintenance. Click on continue. Okay, yes. Coming to PSA table. Yeah, here we want to delete the special characters. How can we delete that? Right, we have some special characters in our source, so we don't need these special characters into target level, so we need to delete these special characters. How can we do that? Yes, yeah, select the row. Here right side arrow mark is displayed, right? Select the rows, click on change. Okay, yes, here where the special character is available, select that special character, just click on edit that, click on continue. Is it deleted or not?
Yeah.
Next, coming to second one, select the second row, click on change, edit the special character and click on continue. And here also change, edit it, click on continue. Okay, is there any special characters? No. After changing the data, click on save. Okay, so these are all edited records, these three. Okay, these are all source records. Okay, yes, come back, close it. So where our data is available now? At data source level. Next we need to load this data into target. So how can we do that? By using which mechanism we will load the data from data source to target? We are going to create DTP. Where we can create DTP? In info provider level, that is target level, we will create the DTP. Yes, enter into info provider level. First refresh the tree. See here under transformation one folder is available, that is data transfer process. Select that DTP folder, context menu, create DTP. Otherwise we have one more option, select the target, context menu, create DTP. Both are same. DTP. Yes. Select target, context menu, select create DTP. Yeah, whenever you select that option, what happened? Sorry, select create DTP. Yes, here automatically system provides us name of the DTP, that is from where to where we are loading to data. So from data source to target, we are going to load the data by using this particular DTP. And what is the target and what is the source for this DTP? So by default system defines. How the system defines? Here we are creating transformation, right? Here we are providing the path. Here only we are declaring the source and target. So that's why system by default providing us target, sources, everything. Okay, here just click on continue. Nothing to do here. Here in designing of DTP, we have three tabs are available. One is execution tab, update tab, and execute tab. Under execution tab, we have source type of data is available. Source type of information is available. That is, what is the source? That is data source. And what is the technical name of data source? And what is the source system name? Right? And we will discuss about this option extraction mode and these two checkboxes package size in later classes. Coming to update tab. Under update tab, it contains target related information. So what is the target? What is the technical name of target? Description. And we will discuss about this option, error handling, this create error DTPs, everything in later classes. Coming to execute tab. In execute tab, we will execute the DTP, but this is in enable mode. Sorry, disable mode. Okay, if you want to enable this one, we have to activate the DTP. Yes, enter into execute tab, click on activate the DTP. After that, create, just click on continue. What is the next step? Activate. After activating the DTP, now it is enabled, right? Yeah, just click on execute. After click on execute, what happened? The DTP will read the data from data source and it will place the data in target. Do you want to display the